Alright everyone, we're here on day 2. So yesterday you listened to Bear Snores On as task 1. Task 2, you listened to a song about the 4 seasons. Then your third task was to use your iPad to start creating your story or book about the seasons, the 4 seasons. And that's where you stopped. Okay? So again, we're on the process page, explaining to you the process through the task that you will be doing. So I need you to go to the task. You need to go to the task page. Clicking that button takes you to the task page. Once you're at the task page, we're on to task 5, which is using your iPad to go back to the story that you created yesterday. So again, you'll click Scroll My Story app, and it will open it up, and it will have a page that looks like this again. Instead of creating the story today, you're going to go down to the bottom. You're going to go down to the bottom where it says My Books, and you're going to find, remember, you typed in your name, so you're going to find the book that has your name. Click on your book. Then there's a word that starts with an E. It's called Edit. I need you to click that, or you need to click that. Sorry. And then
Tap here to record the first page of your story.
Here is your story. Okay? Remember that you drew a picture of the 4 seasons, and if you click this button, it goes back to this is your cover page. Then your title page, okay? Then I need you to pick the arrow going the other way, and it should give you a blank page, okay? You're going to stop right there, and scroll down on the task page. Right here it says weather questions, okay? Weather questions. You're going to click weather questions. It will open up a new link, and there will be a mouse. He is going to ask you some questions. After he asks you the first question, you and your partner will talk about the question. Then
There are different things we can do in different kinds of weather. What kind of things do you like to do when it is warm and sunny outside? Now talk to your partner.
So you and your partner will talk about the first question. You will talk about your answer. Your partner will talk about their answer. Then after you talk about it with your partner, you will draw a picture to explain your answer. After you and your partner have had time to talk about the question, talk about the answer, draw your answer on your iPad, you'll click the purple arrow to go on to the next question.
To experience means to do, see, or be a part of something. What experiences have you had when the weather was cold and snowy?
So after you've drawn your picture, you're going to push an arrow to go on to the next blank page. You'll talk about the second question with your partner, draw your answer on your iPad on the blank page. Once you and your partner have done that, you'll hit the purple arrow, and you'll move on to the next question. You'll keep repeating, moving to the next blank page, to the next question. When you're all finished with that, you go back to your web quest, okay? And on your directions, you are finished with that. But the next task you are to do on your book for the web quest is go back to each page and record yourself by pushing the red record button, on your iPad on each page. Record yourself telling about your story, about the answers to your questions. Okay? Then, after you're all finished, you push that done button, okay? Then push the home button, okay? Then find your book down at the bottom again. You're going to find your book down at the bottom again. And this time, instead of pushing edit, you're going to find the word that starts with an S. It's share. Okay? Click OK. And then you will type in the email address to the person you are going to share it with. I hope you've enjoyed this web quest.